Hi, I'm Selena, an educator with 20 years of classroom experience and a test prep expert with Study.com. In this video, we'll focus on the FTCE Social Science 6 through 12 037 exam, specifically the knowledge of social science and its methodology. You'll review how historians and social scientists gather, analyze, and interpret data, and how these methods help us understand human behavior, events, and societies. Let's get started and build a strong foundation for success on your exam. Which of the following social sciences focuses on the study of the origins, values, development, and attributes of human cultures? A. Political science, B. Psychology, C. Anthropology, or D. Sociology? A. Political science is incorrect. This focuses on government systems, power, and political behavior. B. Psychology is incorrect. This studies individual behavior and mental processes. D. Sociology is incorrect. This looks at social groups and relationships in present-day societies. The correct answer is C. Anthropology is the study of the multiple aspects of human cultures. These aspects include cultural evolution, belief systems, traditions, and more. Which overarching social sciences topics are students learning about if they evaluate the social hierarchies between ancient Rome, Hindu, and modern American societies? A. Gender, B. Race, C. Culture, D. Class. A. Gender focuses on roles, expectations, and differences between males and females. B. Race is incorrect. This deals with identity and treatment based on physical characteristics or ethnicity. C. Culture is incorrect. This includes beliefs, traditions, and customs. The correct answer is D. Class. The social sciences concept of class can be explored through lessons and activities focused on different social, political, or cultural hierarchies within different societies. The study of history can enhance the understanding of political science by A. Providing context for political ideologies and shifts in power, B. Providing information about the climate and the topography of political regions, C. Outlining the psychological aspects of political leaders, or D. Offering scientific methods for political analysis. B. Climate and topography is incorrect. That's more related to geography. C. Psychological aspects is incorrect. That falls under psychology. D. Scientific methods is incorrect. Political science uses some research methods, but history doesn't focus on teaching those methods. The correct answer is A. Providing context for political ideologies and shifts in power, studying history can provide context for political ideologies and power dynamics, which would be beneficial when studying political science. Historical context is important for understanding current political landscapes, predicting future trends, and demonstrating the consequences of various political actions. When teaching geography, which tool would be most effective for helping students to understand spatial relationships? A. A state map, B. A globe, C. An atlas, or D. A yardstick? A state map is incorrect. This shows local details but is flat and limited. C. An atlas is incorrect. A book of maps is useful but still flat and less accurate. D. A yardstick is incorrect. This measures length, not geography. The correct answer is B. A globe provides a three-dimensional representation of the Earth and its land masses, which can help students understand spatial relationships. The concept of scale and geographical features. A globe also does not have the distortion issues commonly found in maps, which means it can provide a more accurate representation of size and scale. Thank you for joining me on some practice questions for the FTCE Social Science 6 through 12 037 exam. For more practice, check out our FTCE Social Science 6 through 12 037 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to Study.com. Those who use Study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, You will know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to the channel to get all the latest FTCE test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. Thanks for watching. Happy studying.